guys, welcome back, and we today will be looking at some, well, who remembers Jada Toys Dub City Big Time Muscle? So I've got 5 of those here that we're going to take a look at. Before we get started though, please hit that like button and do subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified of new videos dropping, so that you can see the newest videos that we do here. So we've got Big Time Muscle. So there's the 69 Chevy Camaro in the police livery. So we're going to open that up. These ones are from like 2005. So a little bit older. There's a 69 Chevy Chevelle SS in a almost like a maroon with a stripe on the top. So we're going to open up that. Then the same 69 Chevy Chevelle SS in the purple, different stripes. And then we've got a 63 Chevy Corvette Stingray. That one is an absolute stunner of a paint job, so we're going to check that out. And then we've got the 1970 Plymouth Cuda as well, so black, red hood and stripe. That's really awesome too, so we're going to get that one out of its package as well. Okay, so let's start with the Camaro, because I like Camaros, so I'm most excited to see that one. So we're just going to cut these out of the plastic, hopefully not damage the car in the process of doing that. Okay, so there it is. We've got a Chevy Camaro. So I like these for their really overly exaggerated wheels. They are super big for the car, but I think that's what makes these really, really awesome. Having that kind of oversized wheel put together on this car really kind of adds like drama and makes it look, you know, obviously beefier and more aggressive, right? So pretty wicked looking details on this car. They haven't really left anything out. Now this is a 1/64 scale, but it seems to be a a lot bigger than what we might be used to seeing when we look at Matchbox cars and Hot Wheels cars. These cars tend to be, you know, on a scale. Like if let's see, I don't really have any Camaros nearby, but let's just, well, you know what, that's not fair. Let's do Mustangs. So Camaros and Mustangs are roughly the same size in real life, so that's kind of what you're dealing with in terms of the actual scale of the cars. So you can see that Jada series 1/64 cars are much bigger than what we'd see in a Hot Wheels car. And so let's open up the Chevelles. Do those next. And again, these are really quite cool. Again, really heavily exaggerated on the wheel arch or the wheel size. They're almost like tubbed out, if you will. So there it is. Really bright ruby metallic paint. Looks, I mean, it's so awesome, the paint work they've done on these cars. And the details around the lights, the bumpers, the actual rims themselves, and the tampo work for the stripe. Really quite awesome. Even the grill's got like the dark, you know, where you'd expect it to be dark when you see it in the shadowing into the cowl or into the front part of the engine. And then you got like, you can see it's got a black dash, and then but it has red seats, and it's got some chrome details on the inside there as well. on the center console and the steering wheel. So really cool. Oh, look at the speakers in the back window too. That's pretty awesome. So there you go. That's really, really sweet. So that's the 69 Chevelle. And just so that we've got consistency, we'll open up the other Chevelle. And so this one is a really beautiful, beautiful purple. Again, you know, some awesome paint work that just really sets this car off. I mean, it is awesome. So you can see the stripe on the back is a nice gloss that goes with the car, but then the hood has this matte black cowl induction that looks really, really sharp. So they chromed out around the windows, which is, you know, what you'd expect. But then, you know, this is, you know, highly detailed again. That's so cool. I'm really, really impressed. I'm glad I opened these. You know, I've been holding on to these for so long, and I'm like, do I want to open them? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But, you know, the time has come to free the cars because they can't stay in their packages forever. Well, I guess they can, and some people do. They do. They keep them in their blister packs forever. And but you know what? I'm wanting to put them in shelves and display them in my room. You know. Okay, so this one is the 1970 Plymouth Cuda, and again, you know, just a striking paintwork. So this one here is black, of course, and you can see the hood is matte with the shaker hood style in silver. Chrome blacked out, obviously, in this one. And on the front it says Hemi Racing. And then you've got backlights, obviously all done up. But again, another really, really sharp looking car. I'm really impressed with this one. And a lot of weight too. I mean, they're heavy cars. I don't know if any collectors out there collecting these Jada, but this is something I haven't seen in Canada for a long time. I haven't seen a Jada product here for a while. Every once in a while at Toys R Us, but definitely not going to see this stuff at Walmart. We don't have Towers or the other one that came to Canada and took off after a little while. What the heck was that called? The name eludes me. Target. So that's gone. So it's really just Toys R Us or Walmart for us to shop at around here. And so last one of the 5 that I've got to show you today is the 63 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Now look at this one. Now that is absolutely stunning. Just a brilliant orange metallic with that black flame just growling across the side of this car. That is so sweet. So you can see that is probably the jewel of these 5 cars that I've got. And I do like the Camaro Police as well, but this one here is absolutely head turning. You imagine seeing this driving down the street? I mean, you just would not be able to help yourself. You'd follow this one home. That is absolutely cool. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll share some more next time. Hit the like button, subscribe, do subscribe. You it's really the only way that I can tell the channel's growing is if people are subscribing. So hopefully this is kind of what you want to see. Comment below if you have some other ideas you want me to throw out, some other types of cars or different manufacturers. If I've got them, I'll show them. And so for now, that's it. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day, and look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Bye for now.